Assalamualaikum students, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Now I am starting the next lesson of phonetics book, page number 13. In this page the topic is before and after. Before means पहले, after mean बाद में. You wake up before you brush your teeth. You brush your teeth after you wake up. There are some examples. 1, 2, 3. 1 comes before 2 means कि 2 से पहले क्या आता है 1. You will write here before. In the second example 3 comes after 2. 3 comes after 2 के जो है 3 के बाद जो 2 है 2 के बाद क्या आता है 3 आता है. Circle the correct answers. 1 has been done for you. Now 2 comes बिफोर आफ्टर 3 मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या दी गई है छोटी रकम और यहाँ पे बड़ी. जब यहाँ पर सेकंड रकम बड़ी होगी तो आपने पहले अगर छोटा होगा तो आपने वहाँ पर क्या करना है बिफोर. क्या करना है बिफोर. BEFORE बिफोर. अब है 4 कम्स बिफोर आफ्टर 3. तो अब यहाँ पे भी देखें यहाँ पे आपके क्या है 3 क्या है छोटी है और यहाँ पे 4 क्या है बड़ी है. तो अब आपने क्या करना है यहाँ पे 4 बड़ी है और यहाँ पे 3 छोटा है. तो आपने क्या करना है यहाँ पे आपने इसमें आफ्टर पे सर्कल करना है. किस पे करना है आफ्टर पे, क्योंकि 4 के जो 3 के बाद ही 4 आता है इसलिए हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे क्या किया है 3 आफ्टर के ऊपर सर्कल कर दिया है. इसी तरह से 3 कम्स बिफोर आफ्टर 2. तो यहाँ पर 2 छोटी है और 3 बड़ी है. तो अब हम इस पे क्या करेंगे मैंने आपको अभी बताया है ऊपर वाली कि पहले यहाँ पर अगर छोटी है और यहाँ पे बड़ी है तो हम उस पे क्या करेंगे आफ्टर पे सर्कल करेंगे. इसी तरह से स्टूडेंट्स आपने इस पूरे पेज को मुकम्मल करना है. इन द नेक्स्ट पेज between मीन दरमियान. They are the 2 boys and the girl is standing between the 2 boys. 7, 8, 9. This 8 is between 7 and 9. Color the picture that is between the trees. There are some trees but there are 2 trees in between. What is in between? House. You will color in the house. Color the picture that is between the animals. के एनिमल्स के दरमियान में कौन सी है पिक्चर उसमें आपने क्या करना है सर्कल करना है या कलर करना है. इन दिस पेज बिफोर आफ्टर बिटवीन. बिफोर मीन पहले, आफ्टर मीन बाद में, बिटवीन मीन दरमियान में. Write the correct numbers in the boxes. They are the 2 boxes. This is the before and this is the after. When the box is drawn before, it means before. You will if the box is drawn here, then it means you will write here after. 16 before 15. 16 before comes before 15 and it's a 68 and you will write here 67, because if you don't know how you will write here 67 you will read 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67 and 68. And 68 it's a 68 and you will read the counting from 61 and 6. What comes before 68? 67. It's a 52. You will learn the counting from 51 and students, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are good. Now we are learning the next lesson of phonetics book, page number 20. In this page we will learn about the concept of before, after and between. Look at this. There are some numbers which are started from 1 to 10. Now I am telling you about the definition of before. Now I am telling you about the definition of before. What is the meaning of before? When we count backward, it is called before. When we count backward, it is called before. For example, it's a 10. What comes before? 10, 9. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 2? 1. Now I am telling you about the definition of after. When we count forward, it's called after. When we count forward, it's called after. Very good. Now it's a 1. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 8? 9. What comes after 9? 10. Now I am telling you about the definition of between. When any number is given in the center of the given number. When any number is in the center of the given number, it is called between. Just like as it's a 4, it's a 6. What comes between 4 and 6? It's 5. Now what comes between 8 and 10? 9. Now look at this page number 20. What comes before, between and after? It's a before. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 3? 2. Sorry. It's 2. What comes before 7? 6. It's a after. What comes after 11? 12. What comes after 15? 16. You will write here 16. What comes between 1 and 3? 2. What comes after 1 and 3? 2. What comes after between 7 and 9? 8. You will write here 8. Now look at this page. Write the correct number in the boxes. It's a 16. You will write here 15. It's a before. What comes before 68? 67. What comes before 52? 51. Now it's a after. It's a after. What comes after 78? 79. What comes after 64? 65. What comes after 23? 24. Now what comes before, after and between? It's a before. You will write here before. It's a after. You will write here after. It's in between. 31, 32 and 33. What comes between 68 and 70? 69. You will write here 69. It's a 9 and 11. You will write here. What you will write here? 10. Very good. It's a 69 and 71. What you will write here in between 69 and 71? You will write here 70. Students, your work, do it at your home in a neat and clean writing. Thank you.